record, share screen, share. Hiya, this is Jeff here. I just want to share something with you just for a minute. So notice what I'm doing. I log into im.center, my username and my password. Just log in there. Give me a minute and then go down to the Academy section, just here. And then I click on Forex in English. And then I have everything come up here. Only to watch something, I would just press the play button. And you can have different sizes when it comes up. If it's 1 minute, do full screen, do exit, lots of different things. Really simple. I'll stop the video now. I'll speak to you in a minute.